What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTOs quick tip series, and in this video we're going to quickly show you how to get the split screen here. For example, if I hit the radio button now, you'll see that we've got the radio here and we've got the map there. Now by default you just get one thing at a time. So how do you do it? Well, you hit the home button, you go all the way across to system. Now in system you go into displays and styles, then you go into additional display area, and then by default it's set on dynamic, but if you set it on navigation map you can have it so that it shows the sat nav here. Consumption will show you a nice little graph of how you're doing with your mile per gallon, and if you want you can have a clock here as well. So there you go guys, it's that simple. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see more tips on this car, then make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's going to be plenty coming. I'll see you guys next time.